This is Dan from Retro Restore Camping, and today we're starting on headers. Yesterday we took this manifold off, and today we're going to install the header on there. I'll do that so I don't kink it if it fits on there. Get that. So what we ended up doing is separating it at that joint and reconnecting the dipstick in between the headers because it's already was in there. So that's what we got going on there. Then we're gonna just slip the header on.
You got these wrenches?
The hand them right there. They're right there. Yep. Just the bottom one. You just hold it with the top one there, and the bottom one will just move on. Try to do it with your fingers if you can.
No, it won't spin. This won't spin.
I know, it's freaking. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that.
Well, I guess we should have measured. Gotta cut this pipe again. Way down there.
This is the inside.
That's 3/4. That ain't even.
That's the outside. This is smooth. It's got a raised lip on it.
Wrong size.
You said 14, right?
Yeah, not 3/4.
Oh. Whoops. That was out, so I assume that was the one we used the last time. Alright. My bad.
You're good.
My bad. Don't want the extension, correct?
No extension. That is correct. Goodness.
That rain's coming, man.
I know, I'm trying to hurry.
This is how we did it down here. And there's the other side. We'll patch back in when we get it all set up. Alright, for now this is Dan from Retro Restore Camping. Hey, this is Dan from Retro Restore Camping. This is a follow-up on the headers. We got the headers that we have a before, and now here's an after. Here, you can't hear that noise anymore. That little putty sound. I still haven't gotten the carburetor refurbished yet or reconditioned. I found a place in California that I'm going to get that done at. I have not done that yet. That's on my to-do list. I'm going to make another video with the startup and how easily the startup is, and hopefully we'll be able to get to drive this soon. We've already gotten the some of the wall stuff done in here. We put the headers on this weekend. Last couple weekends we were doing the brakes, the disc brakes. We have those done. We got shocks in the back. We got the bearings all done in the back. We're going to be doing the bearings in the front here soon. I'm going to be putting some new spark plugs in. I got the spark plugs. We're going to put the spark plugs in, new spark plug wires, and new cap. That's all stuff that we're going to be getting done here real soon. But right now we have the let's go out here. You can hear what it sounds like. I don't know if I did one outside here or not, the last time. So we still have the wheel wells off. There's the header. Alright. Put a like on there, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Alright. Till then, bye.